Seiken Tsuki, the thrusting punch, simple in its appearance and foundational to Goju Ryu Karate, requiring adherence to details, developed through rigorous training and expressed through Kata. The hand closes into a fist by tightly bending and curling the top and middle knuckles, then the base knuckle, then the thumb folds over the fingers tightly. The wrist is in slight flexion until the plane between the top of the hand and forearm is flat. A flat wrist is maintained no matter the height of the target. The index and middle knuckles are the striking surface. The wrist is slightly abducted until the knuckles are aligned with the forearm, parallel to the floor and perpendicular to the center line. The elbow faces downwards, and the arm extends as far as possible without locking the elbow. 3 typical striking locations are Jodan, between the nose and upper lip, Jinshu, Shudan, in line with the nipple from the base of the rib cage, second rib up, Ganka, Geidan, between the belly button and the base of the pelvis, Tanden. The lats contract inwards towards the tanden, pulling down on the shoulder, initiating the movement. The forearm travels tightly against the side of the body until the elbow reaches the front edge of the body. In a twisting motion, the fist travels directly until arriving at the completed shape. While twisting, the elbow naturally wants to flare outwards, causing the shoulder to reinforce its ski. Rather, by keeping the elbow facing downwards throughout the movement, the lats contract, creating a chain of engagement to a grounded stance, reinforcing the ski. Hikite is basically the ski in reverse. Initiated by engaging the lats, the elbow pulls straight back while the fist twists until arriving in hikite. A twisting movement from the hips and torso is needed for maximum power. Starting with square hips, twist backwards on the hikite side, then twist the hips forward, initiating the ski. Prior to completion of the technique, the hips and torso must be square. Through experience, this movement becomes smaller and tighter. These detail points are specific to Seiken Tsuki. General standards for posture, alignment, engagement, grounding, and breathing are taught from sanchin Kata. The accuracy, power, and speed progression steps provide the framework in which all execution adheres to. Each of these subjects should be understood and applied in practicing ski. Initially, repeat the movement in front of the mirror. Exercises using resistance equipment develop power and reinforcement by strengthening the movement. Several of my training routines include Seiken Tsuki. Ultimately, apply through a kata. Seiken Tsuki is a defining characteristic of Goju Ryu Karate, a cornerstone movement that several techniques are built upon, requiring our best effort and spirit along the path to pursue karate.